Ủa, quên chưa ghi. Okay, hello Thọ. Hello Thọ, how are you?
Good.
Okay, you're good. I'm very happy to listen to that. Okay, so now let's start this lesson today. Wow, Thọ, can you tell me some animal you know? Can you tell me some animals you know? Thọ? Thọ baby, can you tell me some animals?
No.
Con có thể kể cho cô một số con động vật mà con biết trong tiếng Anh không ạ?
Dog.
Dog. Okay, dog. And
Cat.
cats. And
Fish.
huh?
Fish.
Fish. Okay, fish. What else?
The pig.
What? Fish and fish là con gì nhỉ? Con gì con?
Lợn ạ.
Big. Okay, big. Okay, thank you very much. And today we are going to study about the farm animals. The farm animals. Okay, some animals which live on the farm. Let's sing a song. Okay, let's sing a song. Ting 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 tang 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 ting ting ting. Okay, let's listen to the song. This song name Farm Animal Songs. Okay, so now let's listen to a song.
Old MacDonald had E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm had a cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
What does a cow say? Meow.
Meow. No.
Oink.
No.
Moo.
Yeah.
There's a moo moo here. And a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Ô, bạn bị ao mất ra rồi. Ok Thỏ. Được chưa con? Ok, let's listen.
Had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say?
What does a cow say?
Meow.
Meow. No.
Oink.
No.
Moo.
Yes.
There's a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald
Had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he
Had a horse.
E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say?
The horse says
Woof woof.
woof woof. No.
Moo.
Move. No.
Neigh.
Neigh.
Neigh,
Yeah.
neigh here and
Neigh, neigh there.
Yeah.
here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack,
Quack.
tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. No.
No.
Yes.
With an oink, oink
Here
here
and the oink there.
Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old MacDonald
Had
had
a
a
farm.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say? Cluck, cluck. Oink. Ba.
Ba.
With a ba,
Ba
ba
here and the ba ba there.
Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba, ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O.
The duck.
What does a duck say? Meow?
Meow. No.
Moo?
Move. No.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Yeah.
Quack, quack here and a
Quack,
quack,
quack
quack
there.
there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster. E-I-E-I-O. What does a rooster say?
Rooster say
Meow.
meow.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay. Rồi, vậy thì trong bài hát vừa rồi con nghe được các động vật nào nhỉ? Con nghe con gì? The first one is cow.
Cow.
The next one is horse.
Horse.
And the next one is hả? Con ơi. The next one is big. Say out big. And the next one is gonna say loud sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep.
And the next one is duck. Duck.
Duck.
And the next one is rooster. Say rooster. Okay, that's sir. Okay, sheep, cow, dog, rooster, pig, and horse. They are animals who live on the farm. Đây là những con động vật sống ở trên nông trại, đúng không ạ? Và ngày hôm nay chúng sẽ cùng làm quen những con vật ở trên nông trại. Alright, so now. Oh, what animal it eats?
It's a dog.
Dog.
Okay, let's say it's a dog.
It's a dog.
No, Number 2, what animal eats?
A cat.
It's a
Cat.
cat. How? What does a cat say?
Meow.
Meow meow. Wow, what animal it eats? What animal it eats? Is it a
Cow.
cow? Cow. Thảo say cow.
Cow.
It's a cow.
Cow.
It's a cow.
A cow. It's a cow.
Duck.
What animal it eats?
Dog.
It's a dog. Okay. How does a duck sound? Con, what does a duck say?
Quack,
Quack,
quack.
quack, quack, quack. Do you know what is his name? What is his name? Of the duck, what is his name? His name is Donald, right? Đây con vịt Donald gì vậy?
Duck.
Duck. What it eats? What it eats?
Pecker.
Is it a pig? Wow, the pig is so cute. What it eats? Baby, what it eats? Is it a
Hen.
hen?
Hen.
Vậy là hen là con gà mái con nha. Hen. Is a hen. Baby say is a hen.
Hen.
Is a hen.
A hen.
Okay, nào bây giờ cùng nhắc lại cho cô nha. Listen and repeat. Number 1.
Dog.
Is a dog.
A dog.
The next one.
Is a cat.
The next one.
A cow.
And the next one. Is a
It is dog.
Duck.
and the next one. Is a
Pig.
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 And is a hen.
Hen. A hen.
Hen.
The next one. Now let's move to the next one. Teacher will ask you the question. What animal it is? And you have to answer is a pig. Let's say again. What animal it is? Thọ.
A pig.
Is it a pig?
It is a pig.
So, do you like pigs? Thọ, do you like pigs?
Yeah.
Tell me, is it a pig?
A pig.
So, what does the dog say? What does the dog say? What does the dog say? Woof woof, right? Woof woof. Có một điều có thể rất lạ đó là những con vật ở bên nước ngoài kêu tiếng kêu gầu rãng như là nó hơi khác với Việt Nam đúng không nhỉ? Okay, for example, oi oi. Nhưng tiếng Việt Nhưng con big in Việt Nam we say ùn ỉn, in. Or the horse in the Western countries they neigh. And the horse in Vietnam they sound hee. Đúng không nhỉ? Alright. So now let's look, read, and number. Okay. So the first one, number one is what animal is it? Thỏ, number one is. Tell me. Maybe number one is. Nào trả lời cô đi, number one, what is it?
Oh, it's a cow.
No. I mean, look at the picture and answer. Here, what animal is it?
It's a dog.
Okay, number two, what animal is it?
It's cat.
It's a cat. Good job. What animal is it?
Cow.
It's a cow. And the next one, what animal is it? It's a duck.
Duck.
And the next one, what animal is it? Baby?
It's a pig.
Okay, rồi very good. Bây giờ con sẽ cùng nhìn vào các bức tranh. Oh, sorry. Look at the picture and write the number. Còn nhớ con nhìn bức tranh ở đây có số from 1 to 5 đúng không ạ? Con hãy write the number next to it. For example, is it a cow? A cow chính là bức tranh 3. Chúng ta write letter 3 here. Okay, good. And the next one, a dog, a pig, a cat, and a duck. Các bạn cố gắng nhớ cách phát âm và nhớ cái khẩu hình cũng như là cách viết các từ vựng đấy nhá. Okay. Okay, good job. Thảo, you're so good. Okay, great job. Nào, Thảo, chúng ta cùng cố gắng thử spell nó nhé. How do you spell a cow? Thảo, how do you spell it? C
O
W.
W.
Good job. And the next one, how do you spell the dog? How do you spell it?
D-O-G.
Good job. D-O-G. And how do you spell the pig? How do you spell the pig? P-I G.
G.
P-I-G.
P-I-G.
So how do you spell the cat? Cat? C A T. Okay. And the next one. D-U-C-K.
C-K.
Thank you, baby. Yes. Good job, girls. And now, bây giờ các bạn nhớ xem là từ này thiếu cái gì nhá. Cat. Cat. What letter is missing? Con nghĩ xem cái letter nào bị thiếu nhỉ? Cat. Letter A. Good job. The next one, what animal it eats? Thỏ.
Cow.
It's a cow. How do you spell it? C
C-O-W.
Okay, C-O-W. Dog là dễ hơn này. Dog. Dog. So,
Dog.
okay. What letters? What letter I'm missing?
O.
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 G.
G.
No, G. Dog.
Dog.
And the next one. Ducks. A little difficult. Duck.
Duck.
Mm.
Duck.
And number 5. Number 5. Xin mời con number 5 ạ. Big. P-I-G.
I-G.
Okay. Yes. And the next one. Hen. H-E-N. Hen.
Hen.
Okay, let's say again. Cat. Cat.
Cat. Cat.
Cow.
Cow.
Dog.
Duck.
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 Big.
Big.
Hen.
Hen.
Let's play. Okay. So now, Thỏ hãy cùng thử cô sự trick cho con nhá. Cô sự trick cho con. Okay. Thỏ, let's show the picture. Click on the paintbrush here. Click. Thỏ, let's click. Con click đây đi. Con ơi, từ từ. Wow, what animal eats? Thỏ baby, what animal? Gì cơ? It's a
Cat.
Okay, what color is a cat? Cat. What color is a cat?
Black and
White.
white.
It's black and white. Next one, help me to show the picture. Baby, let's show me the picture.
Duck.
Oh, let's show. Oh, no, con nhiều. Làm gì này? Click here to show picture. Wow, that's right. It's a dog. Let's say dog. Duck.
Duck.
And the next picture. Can you show the picture a big? Okay, can you show the picture? Show the picture, please. Wow. Okay. So do you like big? Baby, do you like big? Baby? Do you like bigs? Con có thích big không? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Let's say yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Now, what animal it eats? Thỏ. What animal it eats? It's a cow. Can you show me the picture of the cow? Quickly. Oh, that's good. Okay, so what does the cow say? What does it say? It say moo, moo, moo.
Dog.
Dog. Đố con biết giờ.
Cat.
Oh, sorry.
Dog.
Okay. Now, one animal that likes eating mouse. So for you, what animal it is? Con nghĩ xem là con gì mà like mouse, like eating mouse. Con gì nhỉ? Con gì mà thích ăn mouse, ăn chuột? Is the
Cat.
yes, that's right. Okay. So now let's listen to a song. Oh no. Tôi chết. Này cô bị đơ rồi này. Okay, so Thảo, let's tell me what animal do you like? Thảo baby, what animal do you like? Thảo?
Cat.
Huh? Say again.
Cow.
I like cats.
I like cat.
Okay, that's good. I like cats. So why do you like cats? Why? Why do you like it? Why do you like it? Why? Kitty, Thỏ, why do you like cats? Tại sao con thích con cat nhỉ? Because the cat is so cute, right? Bởi vì con cat thì con rất là đáng yêu đúng không? Okay, thank you very much. Oh no. Oh my god. Chết, máy tính cô có vấn đề rồi. Nó cũng không thể show lên. Thảo ơi, mình thử thoát ra lại một thi nhá, Thảo nhá. Thảo ơi. Mình thoát ra vào lại cho con một chút nhá. Máy cô bị đơ quá. Nha, ok.